Today, we're upgrading a simple cup of coffee with cacao, vanilla, and warm, cozy flavor you can make right at home. Cacao powder, cinnamon, vanilla, and coffee come together to create a rich cafe-style drink. And cocoa powder works too if that's what you already have. Start with warm brewed coffee. Then add cacao powder and cinnamon so everything blends together smoothly. A splash of vanilla and a little plant milk help give this drink its smooth and comforting cafe flavor. A quick froth helps everything blend together into a smooth and cozy cafe-style drink. Want more easy ideas like this? Visit the Yum Shop and join the email list for more cozy kitchen inspiration. Warm, cozy, and full of cafe flavor without the coffee shop price. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.